Hi, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys have a wonderful day. If you like me wearing earbuds incorrectly and keep asking why do earbuds not stay in my ears, what is falling out all the time, and how to wear it properly so it's comfortably stay in my ears. So let's dive in 4 possible reasons why your earbuds keep falling out and how to get it fixed. Reason number 1. You are wearing earbuds the wrong way. First and foremost, I have to mention here that we have to put the earbuds in ears the right way, or else it can be very easily to fall out. Many of us just simply press the earbuds into the ear canals, and of course it doesn't fit well in ears. Sometimes we even put the left earbud into the right ear, right? And here's how to put the earbuds in ears properly. Step number 1. Check and choose the right ear tips. Simply, if you read through the earbud manual, they might have 3 ear tips size. Just use it one by one. Which one is the best fit size for your ears? Follow the steps here in the video to get the ear tips changed. Step number 2. Ready to put the left earbud. First, put the ear tips part into the ear canal. Earbuds should stay in straight position. Once the ear tips get in, hold the earbud and wind it up clockwise direction until all the earbud fit in your ear. Step number 3. Ready to put the right earbud. Same way, put the ear tip into the ear canal. Again, make sure the earbud stands straight forward. Now, at this step, when the ear tips is in, hold the earbud and wind it up anti-clockwise until all the earbuds fit in. Notice that earbuds can come in different shapes and sizes and designs, so you might want to take a look at the specific earbuds manual then. However, always remember the tips here is wind the left earbud clockwise and wind the right earbud anti-clockwise. Reason number 2. Your earbuds are full of dirt. Your brand new shiny earbuds might collect dirt and skin oils, earwax over time. This is just normal condition of using earbuds. The only possibility here is these piling ups might make your earbuds easily fall out of your ears during listening sections. The good news is we can easily get the earbuds cleaned with a soft cloth. Use the soft cloth and wipe off the dust around the earbuds. Remember not to use any water or damp cloth directly on the earbuds. As for the ear tips part, just remove them if they are removable. Then clean the ear tips with little soap and rinse with water. Now flip it inside out, then dry all the ear tips. Notice that you might want to stock up with silicone ear tips because they are much easier to clean. Reason number 3. You are using a wrong size ear tips. If you have paid attention to many of the earphones and earbuds, you possibly saw these small bags which contains different size of ear tips. Most of earbuds will include 3 sized ear tips. These tips are for different ear canals. So it might depend on the size of your ear that you want to hook on the best fit ear tips. How do you know if the ear tips fit you? Well, the ear tips that should stay the earbuds in your ears comfortably. It's not hurting your ears even if you wear them for hours. It should not be losing, so it can be fell off anytime. Reason number 4. Your ears are sweating. Last but not least, one more possible reason for falling earbuds is sweating. Also, this could be the deadliest culprit that your earbuds tips become slippery and earbuds fall out of your ears during your working out time or strong activities. The very possible fix for this is to use a sweatband or ear warmer if you're in exercises. Clean and dry ear tips will make it work as well. Furthermore, clean your ears often using damp cloth and dry your ears well. Don't use cotton swabs for ear waxing. Try a safe ear waxing service once in a month then. And that's it for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching and leave us a comment down below the comment section. Share with us your concerns as well as any other solutions for keeping earbuds from falling out, and see you in the next video. Bye for now.